Hello, thank you so much for clicking this video today. I really appreciate it. In this video, we're going to be talking about the pig. Charles Hoskinson's pig Nike has brought thousands of users to Cardano, and it's likely going to bring tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of more. I'm seeing Solana, folks who've been in Solana for years starting to talk about Cardano, learn how to use Cardano, and that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be the story of a pig called Nike. It's also going to be an onboarding guide for new users that have never heard about Cardano before and they want to onboard to Cardano. So I'm going to be showing what wallet, where to swap, some tips and tricks. We're also going to be talking about a new airdrop that's on Cardano at the same time. So it's going to be a great video. If you guys enjoy it, make sure you comment down below. We're going to have a little giveaway. We're going to be giving away some of this pig token as well. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to learn how you can enter the pig giveaway. So this is where it all started right here. Charles Hoskinson a few days ago tweeted out, fun fact, I have a pig named Nike. And, this was a meme. This was a start of a new culture that's on Cardano. We've seen meme coins in the past. You have Snack, you have Hosky as well. Snack's done a lot of, good for the community. And we might talk a little bit more about Snack in a minute. But yeah, so shortly after we see this tweet, we see another tweet from Charles here that says, is the FDV of Nike seriously $172,000? Jesus effing Christ, people. I don't want to get the YouTube gods mad at me there. So he posts another tweet here. I'm at a loss that a picture of my pig has resulted in a meme coin that is nearly at $1 million in under 12 hours, right? So then we start seeing big accounts tweet about it. We got, GameStop GME account here. And, as we're going to see here in a second, this is really the start of it, because much larger accounts, Inverse Bra, Frank D. Gods, Mario Narwhal, all of these large accounts start talking about Cardano in a pretty good light, and it's all because of the pig. So here's a tweet from Inverse Bra. He's very popular on crypto Twitter, and he also has co-tweeted Mario Narwhal's tweet here. Is meme coin mania back? Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, posted a picture of his pet pig, Nike, and hours later, someone had created a meme coin called Nike. It quickly gained popularity and had a market capitalization of 1.72 million ADA, or $650,000. So it's big to see Mario talk about Cardano. It's not something that you see often. Cardano is kind of in its own closed community. We don't reach out very often, and it seems that is changing. So what is the price of the pig now? So this is the first piece of the Cardano education. If you want to look at charts, any of the Cardano native tokens on Cardano, what most people use is taptools.io. And you can see in the description, I'll have a link to TapTools. We're going to be getting into Dex Hunter as well as what wallet you need to set up as well. But as we were talking earlier, the FDB in this this tweet over here was 650,000. What are we looking at now? 9.17 million with almost 4,000 unique holders in there. And we have had a bit of a dip. It did peak out a good bit here. And one thing I will say is, what I recommend to people is if you're investing in meme coins, treat it as gambling. Throw in $10 if you're willing, and, join the community, learn more about it, see if the community's thriving, if there's a lot of users, and, just be careful, because there's going to be a lot of new meme coins launching on Cardano. For example, someone made a meme coin of my cat, which we're going to get into in a second, and it went up and up and up, and then it dipped. Could it go up again? I don't know. Could it go down again? Probably. That's the thing with meme coins. It's PvP. If you're selling a meme coin, someone else is buying it. And if it keeps going down, that person is going to lose money. That's one thing that people don't realize. For you to sell $1 million of something, there has to be someone buying for $1 million. So when you're investing in meme coins, be careful. I'm really excited to see Nike bring in all of these new people, shine a light on Cardano, but be careful out there. You never know what's going to happen. A good macro event could change things, or Nike could keep going up. And that's what I'd like to see, because that's probably going to bring in more users. It's #1 trending on TapTools right now. But yeah, I mean, it went up a lot more since the beginning. It's been about 4 or 5, 6 days. Yeah, token listed 5 days ago, and it's already gone this high, up to 9 million FDV. So I'm using this as an example, maybe to educate a bit more about meme coins. You know, meme coins are an awesome thing. They bring in a bunch of new users, but there is some risk there. There's PvP. You know, I made a joke yesterday. This all started from Charles posting a picture of his pig. So I posted a picture of my cat, you know, and I wanted to see if someone would actually create a meme coin. And sure enough, within an hour or two, they did. And this is what happened. I mean, it shot up FDV wise to, you know, almost 2 million ADA, and then it crashed back down the next day. And some people probably made money and some people probably lost money. So far with Nike, I'd say a lot of people have made money unless they, you know, got some weak hands or maybe bought the top and then, you know, saw this dip here. You know, so Nike's been good for a lot of people. I've heard in Twitter Spaces that it's changed some lives, and I'm happy to hear that. It also could change some lives for the worse in the future. It just depends on where the macro goes. You know, we're seeing a bit of a price pump here. So I, you know, posted a picture of my cat. She's sitting in a box, and then here's the meme coin that was created from it. So, you know, Solana. There were 450,000 meme coins launched on Solana last month. And usually what people do is they launch a new coin and they rug it, or if it does well, it stays around for a while. So we may start to see this on Cardano. And there's actually a bot. It's called Snackbot. And what it does is you can come in there and actually create a new token, you know, very quickly. And let's see if I can find it here. It's not coming up immediately, but there's a Twitter account that shows all of the new Cardano native tokens that are coming out. It's because people are using this Snackbot to create these meme coins. And this is what the culture's been like on Solana. There have been a bunch of different new meme coins created, and there've been, you know, probably tens of thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of people on Solana buying these meme coins. And, you know, the good thing about it is they are learning about blockchain. They're learning about how to use a DEX, or, you know, how to use a wallet, and how to ultimately buy native tokens. And I would say the culture here is really with the youth. You know, Cardano has always been considered, at least by the wider chain, is like a bit nerdy. You know, people say that we're the virgin chain, and there's a bunch of boomers here. And honestly, a bit of that is true. You know, when you go to conferences, there are a lot of older people here. Whereas if you go to Ethereum conferences or Solana conferences, you know, people are a bit more youthful there. You know, I'm young and I've been in Cardano the whole time, but we are a bit nerdy. And I think that's kind of why we missed, you know, DeFi summer and have missed the meme coin season. And, you know, it might be because of this. We've been purists over the years. And while I think people need to be careful with meme coins, I think being a purist about anything is usually not really a great choice. And a lot of these new users coming in from Nike could end up using, you know, USDM or Indigo or MinSwap, or, you know, a lot of them are using MinSwap or SundaySwap V3. So, you know, in my eyes, it's good to see. You know, I hope a bunch of people don't lose money. I hope people do well off of it. But I'm happy that all of these new users are here. And I'm hoping that it changes this narrative that Cardano is full of neckbeards. And again, we have an airdrop coming up later in this video. We also are going to have some information about how you can be involved in Cardano. But I wanted to, you know, show another catalyst in Nike's story. And it is David Gockenstein. So after this, I'm going to show a couple clips from this stream, but I would definitely check it out. So Charles has actually done a deal with Gockenstein Media. And in this deal, Charles is going to be doing a podcast on Thursday with David. And I think it's bi-weekly. I could be a little bit wrong on that. But, you know, Charles is reaching out to the wider community. And I think it is important for Cardano to be known. You know, I've been having calls with some, you know, Ethereum developers or investors, and they asked me if Cardano even has smart contracts. And I think a bit of that fault is on us. You know, I think people should maybe do some research into Cardano. I think it's one of the most thriving communities out there. And you're seeing a lot of these Solana people come over and tweet about it. Like, holy shit, this community is so engaged. We can't believe it. We thought there was no one here. And, you know, seeing Charles do these podcasts, you know, with the wider community, I think is going to be good for Cardano in the long term, because we do have smart contracts here. We do have a bunch of thriving projects, and we have the pig.
And this thing goes parabolic. It's trading millions of dollars a day. It gets up to like $7.5 million valuation. People are fucking making memes. They create a Twitter account for the pig. I think the pig's been cast for a movie. I mean, shit's gone nuts. And so this is like my first real introduction to meme coins. Remember, I was in your space saying I don't
Yeah.
understand meme coins. I don't know how they work. I'm like, okay, this is the power of meme coins. There, we have people in Solana being like, how do I get some Nike? I hate ADA. I hate Cardano, but this I like the pig. So there you go.
All right. Uh, and we did talk about this subject on Spaces.
Yeah.
And you were like, I will use my AI technology and I will scrape the internet and I will scrape this entire space and I will look at everything and I will figure it out and I will put something, or I guess you will. I think you said you'll put something on Cardano, but you didn't even have to do anything because now all I hear about now, like legitimately, all I hear now is, David, are you in Nike? Are you in? And I didn't know what was honestly when they first said it. I was like, are they now making tickers about Nike, the sneaker, like like the offset?
Right.
They're like, no, it's a
Right.
pig. I'm like,
Pig.
a pig. They're like, yeah, Charles's pig, Cardano. It got his first meme, real real hardcore meme token because we seen that he had a pig. I was like,
Yeah.
really? And then I see everything that's happening on our account. Have you seen the traffic?
Yeah, the whole network traffic went up like 5% or something like that because of fucking Nike. No, I've seen. What's so bad is we already have two memes.
I have no answer. Zero.
Yeah.
I want to ask you. So, switching topics a little bit, guys, relax. I got 3 chats going, and they're all like pig, 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 and guys.
So to talk about this airdrop that I mentioned at the end of the video, I've been working on a project for a year and a half called Atrium, and what Atrium does is it aggregates the various financial services that we use on Cardano into one platform that teaches you how to use it with easy motion graphic videos. And we've just launched a new smart contract on Cardano's preview network that allows you to mint profile NFTs. These profile NFTs, you can actually level them up from engaging with projects on chain or on Discord or on Twitter. And as you level it up, you're going to unlock new customization options. And it's alpha.atrium.io. You do have to have a preview wallet set up. I'm going to link a guide down below. What the wallet that I recommend using is Eternal. And you can come in here and you'll be able to send to these names. So if we make, Payton, pay, and then we can choose, okay, I'm an artist, and then we can type content creator here. And if somebody wants to send ADA to this address, eventually they'll be able just to type in @PaytonPay to send me some, the pig token, Nike, or any other tokens. And then you can go ahead and mint this NFT, and you can see the animation for it building here. And then as you level this up, you're actually going to get an airdrop for doing this. Yeah, it is on testnet, but your levels are going to transfer over to mainnet, and then the higher level that you get on testnet is actually going to be more tokens airdropped to your Cardano wallet. So it is a bit of PvP here. If you're level 1, you're not going to get as much as the next guy. So here's the actual NFT minting. You get a random background, and then the rest of the backgrounds can actually be unlocked from engaging with the community and also doing other various challenges on Atrium. So again, links for all of this are going to be down below. Eternal Wallet preview. So this is the rewards page. You can see some of these challenges here. Stake to a pool, invite some friends into Discord, reply to an Atrium post on Twitter, and eventually, we're going to use this to incentivize your favorite projects, and hopefully those increased impressions will bring even more people to Cardano, but it's going to be hard to compete with the pig currently. So we're going to do a quick ecosystem guide. How do I get into Cardano? Well, to use the airdrop, you're going to use the Eternal Wallet, which I'll have linked down below. A lot of people's favorite wallet right now, especially on mobile, is called Vesper. Vesper currently doesn't work with our testnet because they don't support Preview Network. I did have a chat with them and they said they would support our testnet in the future, and they're actively working on it. So if you're not trying the airdrop, you just want to buy the pig, what I would do is download the Vestor wallet on mobile or on browser. And once you have this, you can create a mnemonic phrase. Make sure you take that mnemonic phrase and store it somewhere safe. It'd be really unfortunate if you do well on the pig and then you lose your pig money because you didn't save your mnemonic phrase. So if you don't want to lose the pig, if you want to, treat the pig as, the sacred beast that it is, the sacred Nike, you need to take that mnemonic phrase, you need to write it down, and you need to store it somewhere safe. So once you have that wallet set up and you've loaded it with a little bit of ADA, which you can do by going to the Receive tab, you'll see ADDR1. You can load it up with some ADA. Once you have some ADA, another link is going to be down below, and it's called Dex Hunter. Dex Hunter is a DEX aggregator that supports, I think, 5 or 6 DEXs at this point. There's a lot of DEXs on Cardano. Sunday Swap's kind of been popping off lately because they released some new smart contracts. We also have AXO, which is a very unique DEX. It's only possible on Cardano. It has some capital efficiency. We also have MinSwap. Some of the old ones are Muesli Swap, but you're likely going to be swapping on Min or Sunday Swap or AXO. The pig actually has some NFTs that's a bit funny. It's kind of, it's mocking the Ape Society. People are claiming that the Ape Society moved to base at the worst possible time, which is something that a big Solana project did as well. So if you want to buy NFTs, which I'm not recommending, and if you like some art, go ahead. The main site to buy NFTs on Cardano is jpeg.store. So if we go try to find, this is the meme. So, this NFT project called the Ape Society, moved to base recently. They left Cardano a couple of months ago, and people are like predicting that that's the Cardano bottom. And if we look here, it's literally just the apes, but they took the pig Nike and then put that instead of an ape. So it's definitely got some meme here. I think they minted for like 7 or 8 ADA. But this is, the whole point of me showing this was also to show you that jpeg.store is where you buy and sell your NFTs. Dex Hunter is where you can get your Cardano native tokens. Tap Tools is where you're going to be viewing your token stats. Atrium is where you're going to be getting that juicy airdrop and minting profile NFTs. So there's kind of a bit of a Cardano ecosystem guide there for you. So we're going to be closing out the video here shortly, and we're also going to be giving you the last word that you have to comment down below to enter the giveaway for some Nike. And I wanted to talk about RTB, for example. I think he did a lot of community building here that even led up to Nike doing better. So, he's a community manager for SNEC. He actually ran a Twitter space for 17 days straight, teaching people about Cardano, onboarding people from the Solana community. And, SNEC had a big run, similar to this. The market cap, last time, it's at 70 million right now. So it still is a lot bigger than Nike. It had its big run a year ago. We've seen another run like this with NFTs a few years ago. And in these moments, there's a big opportunity for user capture and teaching people about our ecosystem, and I think this is another one of those great opportunities. That's why I'm so happy to see this. So I want to say big shout out to RTB, big shout out to SNEC and the SNEC bot that allows people to make these tokens and makes this user experience a little closer to Solana home. As I mentioned, 450,000 different tokens were launched on Solana last month. And I also want to give a big shout out to the Nike community, because there are people doing a lot of work there. They're reaching out to people they know in Solana, people they know in Ethereum, and they're onboarding them to Cardano. They're joining Twitter Spaces, going kind of against the grain and trying to talk about the pig and bring more people into Cardano because of the pig. And pig. I am damn happy to see it. So if you guys enjoyed the video and you want to enter the Nike giveaway, comment down below pig. And if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Twitter. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I mentioned, I don't make videos too much anymore, but anytime anything exciting, especially as exciting as the pig, happens on Cardano, I am going to make videos. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you have a good rest of your day. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment, click the like, click the subscribe, and maybe I'll make some more videos. Thank you guys.